People usually asking me how many dives I have. Do you still log your dives? That is a kind of question. As a professionals, just imagine if I will log every single dive I do with my students, kind of. So that's why what I do usually is I just connect my computer to the laptop. I'm just dropping all these dives there. So that's why I know what is amount of the dives I have. This is about 9,000 plus dives. But if you will ask me where was it and with whom was it, I don't know. But then if I'm traveling, then I'm logging my dives. Especially when I'm diving in a new places, then I log the dives. Because later on I can write some article about the place, just because it brings me back all the memories about that particular dives or that particular place. So that's how I do it.
Hey! How are you, Martin?
How are you?
Yeah. You see?
Rope. Last preparation before the rafts or rumpons going into the ocean.
Hey! Hello! Hello!
That's how we start the new year here in Bali, with a fishy day. Today we're gonna do 2 dives for open water diver course. We'll go to Gemeluk and Pyramid. Diving conditions are perfect. I'm happy. The visibility is getting better, by the way. We'll see what it will be in a Gemeluk. Today it's 15th of March, so you will see this episode tomorrow. Today is 15th of March and our friend Risto have a birthday. Risto, happy birthday. Risto is our friend and one of those guys who's living on a full speed. I remember when he came to me, he was 76 years old and he took his open water diver course. I've been mentioning him already in my previous episodes, and he did it to make his dream come true about diving in Raja Ampat. Sad to say, but because of the pandemic we've been postponed this trip already twice, but I'm absolutely sure we will do it. When all this will be over, we will go to Raja Ampat. That I promise you, Risto. Selamat makan. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.